everyone, what's up and welcome to our channel.
So today we are at China Bistro. It's branch in Thane and it's a restaurant that serves Asian food. It includes Korean, Vietnamese, Chinese and Thai food. And today we are going to try their veg and non-veg buffet. So let's see how it tastes. So without wasting any time, let's get to the food. They start serving us with some basic sauces and salads. The red one is the Szechuan sauce and the black one is black pepper and chili sauce. Then we take some kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean salad made from cabbage and the cabbage is spiced with spicy and sweet sauce. Let's move on to the starters that look so delicious. So here we have chicken wontons and cumin barbecue potatoes. The covering of the wontons were crispy fried and from inside they were stuffed with minced chicken that was flavored nicely. The crunchy exterior and the soft interior makes it a great eating experience. The kimchi was sweet as well as spicy, and since it's a salad, it was served cold. The cumin barbecue potatoes were yummy. They had a slightly Indian taste due to the use of cumin, that is jeera. Then they served us chicken lollipop in Szechuan chili sauce. They were absolutely delicious, soft and perfectly flavored. They had the perfect taste that Indians prefer in the Chinese. This is chicken sui mai. Now basically it's from the dim sum family, but the only difference is that sui mai has an open top. Sui mai is a popular Chinese dish and it's also served in a dumpling basket which is piping hot. The non-vegetarian menu had chicken hot pot soup. Served with some fried noodles. The chicken hot pot soup was spicy, slightly sour, and it had shredded chicken in it. The thickness and consistency of the soup was perfect and it was flavorful. Here we have some fish chili mustard. Just like the name suggests, the basa fish is crispy fried with a corn flour batter and then it's tossed in spicy mustard sauce. And it was really good. These are cheese onion balls. Now it was our first time that we were having cheese in a dish that was prepared in Chinese style. We didn't realize it until we read about it in the menu. Otherwise, it almost tasted like Manchurian. These are the crispy fried veg wontons. They are similar to the ones we had with chicken and they have a crispy covering and the filling is made with minced cabbage. In the vegetarian menu, we had veg Manchurian soup and it was amazing. Look at the consistency, look at the mirror finish glaze to the soup which looks so good. So that was all about the delicious starters. Another amazing thing that was a part of this buffet was the inclusion of complimentary drinks. They had some iced teas, sodas and cold drinks included in the menu. We had a peach iced tea and a soda lemonade. Next up, let's get to the main courses. So just like in a usual buffet restaurant, you have to serve yourself the main courses. And they are as follows. We took a little bit of everything from both the veg and non-veg sections. So these are the veg and the non-veg main courses. Let's start with the non-vegetarian ones first. So here we have some chicken in devil's sauce. It was spicy, sweet, and it had the perfect Indian Chinese taste. Now these were my favorite, whole crab in Singaporean chili sauce. These were absolutely flavorful and it was very convenient to have them because the shells were cracked and you can easily eat the flesh. Next up are the prawns in black pepper sauce. They were perfectly peppery and also perfectly cooked. This is stir-fried chicken with pak choy and garlic. In spite of having a very bland appearance, it was really flavorful. And the chicken was nicely cooked, tender and juicy. Everything was so damn satisfying and there were explosion of flavors in our mouth. So they had included veg Hakka noodles and veg fortune fried rice. Both of them were good. The yummiest of them all was the veg dumpling dipped in soya chili sauce. This is mapo tofu with veg. So tofu is the paneer which is made from soya milk and and it is such a significant part of Chinese and Japanese cuisine. The boiled vegetables tossed in mild chili vinegar were for those who are not into having spicy food. Alright now, so let's get to those sinful desserts. There were not many options in terms of desserts, but whatever was served was really good. Fresh fruits, green apples and watermelons, caramel custard, oops, mousses, here we have some soft, chewy and fluffy marshmallows. Some caramel. Some fruit-based sauce. The best part was taking a big spoonful of dark chocolate from the chocolate fountain and drizzling it over the soft fluffy marshmallows. This looks so sinful. Now this is the Asian favorite, the honey noodles. And they are usually eaten with ice cream. The dessert platter looks so amazing and tempting, and we just couldn't wait to dig in. The marshmallows were like soft, sweet pillows. They were chewy, and it was interesting to have them with those sauces. The dark chocolate sauce was the best of them all. The mousse was nice, light and airy, and there was orange jelly at the bottom of the glass. Also, the caramel custard had the perfect consistency and taste. Another interesting dessert was the honey noodles with the ice cream. The crispy deep fried noodles were tossed in honey, and they were going really well with the soft ice cream. Overall, a mouthful of sensation. There were some chocolate brownies too, and they were good. So to sum it up, we were happily satisfied with everything we had, and the food was really good.
Good.
So the bill comes up in this unique bamboo container. They serve some candied ginger as mouth refresheners. We booked our tables from the app named Nearby, and so we got a little discount on the buffet price. These are the original prices as seen on Zomato. The ambience of this place was very Asian inspired, which was perfectly going with their theme and their name.
Hi guys, so that's it for the day, and we meet our new friend Mr. Ching Chong.
Okay, so that's it for today, guys, and we absolutely loved all the dishes, both the veg and non-veg buffet dishes, and the desserts were also great. So if you are loving our food vlogs, so please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification.
And also comment below.
Yeah, and
Mr. Chong.
Ching Chong also.
Please tell them to subscribe.
Yeah.
And subscribe now.
Subscribe!
Bye.
So stay tuned for more and more travel and food vlogs. Goodbye.